In this video, I'm going to show you how to add symbols on MT4 mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the very bottom left to open up the quotes tab, and then to add the symbols, all you have to do is go to the top right, tap on the plus button, and then in here you can basically find the symbols. So you can tap on it and you can look for them. For example, XAU, USD, there we go. As you can see, it found one. Or you could just open up these folders and see which symbols are in there. Now, of course, you may have a bit different of a view than me because depending on which broker you're using to actually sign into MT4, it's going to allow you for different things. So here I'm currently on my default one, as you can see, the demo, and I'm only able to see the Forex and Forex.wt. But if I go and manage accounts up top, and if I switch over to XM, for example, and sign into this, you'll be able to see under quotes, I now have a lot of different options that are basically different to the others before. So of course, you want to make sure you're in the correct broker for the thing you're trying to trade. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.